Hi everyone, well done on your purchase of TipTub. You're going to save yourself a lot of time during your unloading process from now on. Firstly, if you're only thinking of short-term use, strapping in is really the easiest way. No matter how you fix it in, positioning of the TipTub in the back of your vehicle should be your first thought. Place the base rails on the back of your vehicle. Measuring from each side is the best way to make it central. The base rail now needs to be as far back in the tray as possible. The best way to do this is to close the tailgate and push the unit hard up against it. Now it is best to strap from the forwardmost lugs on the TipTub base rail to the rearmost fixing points on your vehicle. Do this on both sides. This ensures your TipTub will be as far back in the tray as possible. Now strap the next two rearmost lugs on your TipTub base rails to the forwardmost fixing points in your vehicle, also on both sides. Once the base is secure, position the wheel trolley system into the frame. Facing the front of your vehicle, place the front wheels into the opening of the tracks. Then push it further towards the front of your vehicle, allowing the back wheels to drop into position. The trolley can now roll within the rail system. Pull it towards the rear, ready to attach the tub. The tub needs to be positioned centrally over trolley frame. Release tub locking side latch and pull towards the rear of the vehicle, guiding the 6 tabs into position. Once secure, release the side latch and lock the tub into its position. You may now slide the tub towards the front of your vehicle as far forward as possible. Using the trolley locking lever on the left-hand side, release it from its lock position. This will secure the tub in place. Fold the extension frame up and secure the cord for travel. Close the tailgate. You are now ready to go. Just a couple of tips. It's easier if you have a helper. One-sided sticky foam applied to the base of your TipTub can help protect your vehicle. Don't forget to check us out on tiptubs.com.au and take it easy.